In this video, I will guide you how you can download TapSwap application. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So the first step is you just gonna need to open up your App Store or Play Store and simply search for Telegram. And make sure to go with the official version of it, which is Telegram Messenger. Once you have downloaded, simply open it up and then you just gonna need to sign in with your mobile number, and then you're gonna need to click on the search icon on the top and simply search for this TapSwap dash bot. Make sure to go with the verified and the official bot and click on this play button. Once you click on the play button, this is going to open up a new window which will then gonna look something like this. You can now tap on the icon which is in the middle of your screen, and this is going to earn you some coins. So that's the way of how you can download TapSwap application.